In this task, we need to troubleshoot this deployment. So if you click on app, it says 502 bad gateway. So let's check that. If you run the command kgit deploy, you can see the deployment name, no ports are ready. If you run the command kgit pivot, it says error image pull. So let's describe that. So now run the command k describe pivot and the pod name. So it says that image pull back off. So it says if you warning failed, it says that failed to pull image, pull access denied, or repository doesn't exist. So if you check the image name, Poroko Flask app demo, it should be Flask demo app, not app demo. So now what I'm gonna do, let's run the command kgit deploy. Now kedit deploy and the deployment name, then put slash, search for image, then n for next. So just edit this one. This is supposed to be Flask demo app. Okay, let's check. Yeah, that looks fine. Now if you run the command kgit pivot, now its container is creating. It's terminating. Yeah, it's running now. So if you click on refresh, still not working. Okay, let's run the command kgit svc. The service is forwarding to port 8080. Now check our deployment. You look for an import. Okay, it's running on port 5000. So let's edit that service again. Now look for port. Just change this port. Container port is 5000. Oh, I'm sorry, again I'm editing deployment. Edit svc. Okay, let's do this. Now run the command kget svc and then kedit service and the service name. If you look at here, the port, it's forwarding to port 8080. So service port is 8080. So we usually keep service this port and target ports, the same ports we usually. But the target port means container port. So basically you can put anything. This one. This is a service port actually. Let's see. Save it. Cancel. Okay. Let's say edit it again. Maybe I entered something in between. I'm just gonna change this target port. Target port means container port. That's fine. Now if you refresh it, you're gonna reach it. But remember, we usually keep port and target port usually the same one. So if we check the task results now, that's been successful. Thank you so much for watching.